Hey guys, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to overclock your graphics card. Now this is really simple, and the program that we're gonna need is called MSI Afterburner. This is a free program. I'll leave a link to it in the description below. So if you want to get this program, you're gonna go to this link over here and just click on this download button. It's gonna automatically download it for you, and then you're just gonna have to install it, which I'll show in a bit how to do it. Now once that is done, you're going to want to open up the the zip file, and then just simply install the program. Double click on it, and just wait for it to load. Click yes if it asks you for permission to do so. Now just select your language. For example, I'm going to choose English, then just click next. Make sure you check this, then click next, and click next again, and install. I'm not gonna install it because I already have it. So now let's get to the overclocking. So once you've opened up this program, it's gonna look something like this. It might seem a bit confusing, but just bear with me. So the main thing you want to focus on is the core clock and the memory clock. If you want, you can also boost the fan speed, but that's not really necessary. So what you want to do is try to overclock it as much as you can without the graphics card crashing or the games crashing. So for example, I'm gonna overclock it to like 150 core clock, and the memory clock I'm gonna do it like 200. So you shouldn't really push it that much if you don't plan on using it for gaming too much. But if you want to play some games with like a little bit more FPS boost, you're gonna want to overclock them. So once you've done that, just click apply, and basically you're done. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe and leave a like, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.